Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make chicken soup with pickled lemon. For the ingredient, I have 500 kilogram of chicken, 1 pickled lemon. It tastes salty and sour. 1½ teaspoons of canned sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. In case of the soup is not really salty, I'm going to add it inside the soup. And I also have coriander and green onion. Okay, and I also have the water inside the pan, and right now I'm going to bring to the boil. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to cut the coriander and green onion. This is how it looks like. You can see the jar. Okay, right now the water is start boiling, so I'm going to add chicken inside. And I'm going to stir it a little bit. And right now I'm going to cover it. Okay, right now the soup is start boiling, so I'm going to take out the foam. I'm going to add pickled lemon inside. Okay, and right now the soup is not really salty, so I'm going to add salt and sugar inside. I'm going to add all sugar and salt. Okay, and I'm going to keep cook until the chicken gets soft. Okay, right now the soup is done, and I'm going to turn up the heat. And before I'm turn up the heat, I'm going to add coriander and green onion inside. Thank you everyone for watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.